Gold prices traded sideways with little swings on the upside. Yes, the critical number at 3360 proven out to be a good resistance, while on the downside 3330 has offered a very good support. And today, despite breaching lower towards 3325, we have seen a little recovery here in gold prices. 3330 still holds out to be a good support. While it is silver, which has also stayed with swings on the upside. See, look at the numbers here, 3820, 3830. Yesterday also I have mentioned this should offer a good resistance. What has happened? We have seen a good dip since then, and again on the downside 3780 has been a good struggle zone. So what to expect today from gold and silver? Can we say a breakout on the upside is awaited, or again the bear should take over? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates so that you can profit across Asia, Europe and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. First, gold on the hourly charts, you can clearly see there is a good base it is created now at 3330 levels. We have to wait and watch how it behaves at 3330, and this time, as I've mentioned yesterday as well, below 3330 we should wait for 3320. This zone is getting critical now, and any drop below 3320 stay short for 3300 and 3280 levels. Moving averages here are trading with divergence and bearishness. What has happened since then? The price is just consolidated and retraced towards the 20 and 50 period moving average, which is a good resistance zone. The stochastic is rising. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a buy. Yes, after the rise, we have seen a consolidation. Now this is crossed over. This is actually a supportive sign for further rise. RSI is rising. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2-hour charts also, reversal signs. Since then, we have seen moderate bullishness. Resistance from 20 period is very important, and kissing 20 period, now it is willing to take a direction. And now again, 3330 is what you should wait for it to break below which certainly more bearishness should follow. But actually what's happening here, look at the support it has created. The more time it spends here at 3330, the stronger the base gets, and then possibility of a rise increases here. But I can see a greater struggle on the upside as well. Stochastic rising, supportive for further bullishness. The MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. It is still trading in red here. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts, see similar observation. Thus 3330 gets critical. You have to keep a note of this. 3330 is very critical here, and the complete zone between 3330 and 3320 you should watch out for. As long as prices struggle within this zone, you should be careful with the sales. But once it breaches this, ideally I will be looking forward to a move towards 3300 and 3280 levels as the next target zone. But right now it is too early to conclude with that. We have to wait for first for gold prices to trade below 3330 and 3320 levels, and then 3300, which will confirm further bearishness ahead. Now see, if you look at the move, it has shown a reversal sign here. With the reversal sign, one green candle, one swing, and again a greener candle has appeared. Now I'll wait for the next candle specifically. When the next candle arrives and if it takes a dip, certainly you can say this is the time for you to stay bearish. Else, right now I can see a very good support getting created here at 3330. Stochastic rising, looking upwards, supportive for further rise. MACD trying to converge, crossover for buy. RSI rising here. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. Notice the support it has created. If you see this as a symmetrical move, if you divide the move here, if you divide the move from here, you can find out this is symmetrical, and thus the next move is very important. Remember, once the price trades beyond, once gold trades beyond 3350, see, ideally you can buy at 3344 itself, but then 3350 first resistance, and then 3358.60 second resistance. You have to be careful till here. Once it trades above 3358.60, we can expect bullishness to prevail here. But right now, look at the moving averages. These are trading with divergence and staying bearish. Stochastic rising, the MACD also has bottomed here, trying to trade with moderate bullishness, and the RSI is flat. Coming to the daily. Now before we proceed to daily charts, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, which I think you should, you can join my next mentorship batch. The 34th batch starts 1st of September. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And if you're looking forward to just trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me for any of your queries. Write an email, ping me on Telegram. The contact details are there in the channel and video description. And it is also equally important for you to have a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Join it today and enjoy your trading experience. Now look at the daily chart. See, what did we discuss? First, this is a breakout move, retracement, and then one pullback candle has appeared. Ideally, this is the trend it had adopted here. Though it is taking its time, see what has happened yesterday, despite hitting the highs here, lower highs and lower lows were seen. And it is closed in a doji here, which means, see, red candle, doji. So currently, the today's candle can still take a downturn here. You have to watch cautiously. I will again say a drop below 33.20, 33.18 should confirm. 33.20, 33.18 should confirm the next move towards 3300. Towards 3300 means we can expect the first resistance at around 3308, and then we can expect 3300 as the next target, below which you can expect further downside towards 3280. Stochastic oversold though, the MACD is still bearish, the RSI is flat. So looking at this, very simple. What you can do, see, first is if you see gold trading above 3344, buy here, expect 33 50 52, and if this is taken, then 33 58 60. If this is also taken, you can say this is turning bullish. I will be looking forward to 70 72 as the next target. 33 you can write yourself, and beyond this 33 78 80. Right now I can see the bearishness prevailing here. I do not see such a strong momentum, but if it trades beyond this zone, 3400 is very likely possible. I'm not in favor of 3400 though. However, let's see. While on the downside, now on the downside, it is important you can sell here at 3330 levels. Expect, see, I will be looking forward to 3320 18 as the first target zone, and if this is taken, then 3308, and if this is also taken, then 3300. Now below 3300 is where the bears are waiting, where you can expect 3280, 3260, 3248, and lower levels are possible. But today, see, such a strong move requires strength here and requires gold to keep sliding with force. The momentum right now is missing here. The downward momentum is not very much there here, and hence such a big move I cannot expect, or I do not expect today. But yes, a little bearishness may prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Now first, silver on the hourly charts, you can clearly see, I have mentioned yesterday as well. See, first look at the drop here, then sideways movement, again a drop. This is retracement, again a drop. It has moved towards the same zone, 3770. And see, after dropping towards the zone, we have seen it hitting the highs again after dropping towards the zone. If you now see silver trading above 3810, you can initiate a buy. Expect it to move towards 3830, 3825, 3830 should be a good resistance zone. Yesterday also we have discussed this, and it has proven out to be a good resistance, beyond which you can expect a little rise towards 3850 60, which is the next milestone. Moving averages crossing over here, it's a bearish sign. And if you see now, see, 3780 itself, even if you see prices trading below 3780, 3770, you can stay with the sells. Stochastic after the drop, now looking upwards. The MACD right now trading with moderate bearishness. The RSI is staying flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, the crossover is on the sell side here. And see, after the drop here, we have seen a good rise. Again, it has dropped to the same point. I'll definitely watch out. A move beyond 3810 should confirm more bullishness ahead. Right now, if you look at the move, what it has shown, see this, connect the lows, connect the highs. This is how it has been trading. This is still a bullish channel with moderate bullishness. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over. This is a slight bearish sign though, and the RSI is flat here. Look at 3 hour charts. Now see, on the 3 hour charts, see, this is a pullback, and with that as pullback, we have seen a support at 38. It has shown a retracement and then a greater drop. Now the current candle is a swing. Right from the lows, it is trying to bounce back. However, I can see a greater struggle here. Only and only if you see the lower price above 38.10, you can expect a little rise, and then too I will say this is riskier as long as 3830 is not taken. And in fact 3860 is the larger resistance on the daily time frame. Stock has at bottom, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is flat. On the 4-hour charts, when you look at similar observation, very important for it to break this zone. And yes, on the upside, I will say, see 3820, 3830 did a very good resistance, I will say, till 3860. Every 10 cents you may find a little resistance here. And see, this is what we call that despite it trying to trade bullish, it is definitely going to face greater hurdle on the upside. But yes, once it trades beyond 3860, then you can say now the bulls are back, and then you can expect a rally on the upside towards 3885, 3910, 3920, or in fact 3950. But right now I can see a greater hurdle available on the upside here. Stock ISIC has dropped here. The MACD is trading with moderate bearishness. RSI is flat. Coming to daily charts, on the daily charts, notice it is already delivered. First of all, a flat top is starting off with the flat top. It has stayed bearish here, and see, this is what we had discussed, that it is seen taking a turn here. Despite the swing, it is now taking the direction. Now it is very important for silver to close below the 20 period and the median of the Bollinger Bands, else you can clearly see it is trading in this channel. Once it trades below 3760, 3740 zone, then you can say now this is a breakout here. Yes, drop, retracement, and once it breaks here, it is going to move all the way towards 3650 again. Stochastic bearish, MACD trading moderately bearish, RSI flat. So considering this, what you can do now, you can buy at 3810 and keep trailing till 3860, keep booking profits, keep re-entering. That is what you can do. Every 10 cents you may find a little resistance. 3820, 3830 is a very good resistance zone. 3840, 3850, 60, everything is a resistance till 3860 is not taken. Once it trades beyond 3860, you can expect a greater up move. Beyond 3860, what you can expect? 3885, then 3910, and then 3910, 3920. Once it takes away, you can expect 3950, 3960, and in fact 40. The critical number here appears difficult but not impossible. These are markets. While now let's focus on the downside. Yes, you can sell here at 3780 itself. 3780, 3770 should be a good support. Below this, I will be looking at 3750, 3740 as the next very crucial number here. And then 37. Below 37, direct lending in silver is going to be towards 3650. And if 3650 is taken, greater down move is awaited here. We have to wait for today's closer of the day. Very important for crucial. Very crucial for silver's next movement here. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do watch that as well. Thank you.